morning students. Already we discussed about first three Romans in exercise 2.2 in the previous class. Now today we will discuss about 4, 5, 6 problems in exercise 2.2. Now fourth one, find the zeros of the polynomial in each case, in each of the following cases.
Find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following cases.
Find the zeros of the polynomial in each of the following cases. First one, f of x equal to x plus 2. Here they give 7 problems. I tell you 4 problems. F of x equal to
X plus 2, f of x equal to x plus 2, f of x equal to x minus 2, f of x equal to 2x plus 3, f of x equal to 2x plus 3. Fourth one, f of x equal to 2x minus 3, f of x equal to x square. Sixth one, f of x equal to px, p not equal to 0. Seventh one, f of x equal to px plus q, p comma q, p not equal to 0, p comma q are real numbers. So these are the 7 problems they give. I'll tell you 4 problems, remaining 3 problems you have to do. So these two are similar, that's why I am telling one problem among these two. First one, f of x equal to x plus. So in what way you have to find zeros? You have to equate this value becomes 0. To find zeros of f of x equal to 0. So f of x means x plus 2 equal to 0. From this you have to find x value. X equal to, transposing plus to this side, we get minus. Therefore, minus 2 is 0 of f of x equal to x plus 2.
So in the same manner you have to do second one.
Now third one, f of x equal to 2x plus 3. This also you have to do the same way. To find zeros of f of x, this f of x value should be 0. So f of x equal to 0. F of x means 2x plus 3. 2x plus 3 equal to 0. 2x equal to, transposing plus 3 to the right side, it becomes minus 3. X equal to minus 3 by 2. Therefore, minus 3 by 2 is 0 of f of x equal to 2x plus 3.
In the same manner you have to do fourth problem. That is also in the same way. Only sign is the difference here. Same way you have to do fourth problem. I am not telling fourth one. Now fifth one,
F of x equal to x square. So to show that f of x, to find zeros of f of x should be 0. What is f of x here? X square. X square equal to 0. X equal to, transposing square this side becomes square root of 0. Square root of 0 is 0 1. X equal to 0. Therefore, 0 is 0 of f of x equal to x square. In this way you can find fifth problem.
So among 6th and 7th, I will tell you one problem. Remaining problems you have to do.
So, sixth one, f of x equal to px, p not equal to 0. Why they have this condition means if p equal to 0, this becomes 0 polynomial. That's why they give the condition p not equal to 0. So no need to confuse why they give this value. Why they give this value is this condition is if p equal to 0, this becomes 0 polynomial. That's why they give p not equal to 0. So to find zeros of f of x should be 0. F of x value is px equal to 0. P equal to x by p. Sorry, x equal to 0 by p. So it would be 0 by p. Here is suppose if they not give this condition 0 by, suppose if p equal to 0, 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. That's why they give p not equal to 0. Here this value not equal to 0, 0 by any value. Not equal to 0 means this is any value other than 0. 0 by any value. What you will get 0. Therefore 0 is 0 of f of x equal to px. So next problem you have to do. So which problems you have to do? You have to do second problem, seventh problem, fourth problem. So these three problems you have to do in this Roman. In the same way what I told you, in that same way you have to do. Here only minus is the difference. This problem also I tell you this problem. For this and this difference is minus sign. Next already I told fifth problem and sixth problem. Seventh problem you have to do in the same manner. So this is about fourth Roman. Now I will tell you fifth and sixth problem. Fifth problem. 2 is 0 of the polynomial. If 2 is 0 of the polynomial, p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a, then find the value of a. So they gave 2 is 0 of the polynomial. So given p of x equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 7a. So this polynomial they gave, that's why I am writing that one. Next, what is the condition they gave? 2 is 0 of the polynomial. Given 2 is 0 of p of x. If any value is 0 of given polynomial, means when you replace that value in the given variable, that value of the polynomial becomes 0. Therefore, p of 2 equal to 0. In place of x, when you are replacing 2, this polynomial value becomes 0. Then only it is 0. Already they gave 2 is 0 of the polynomial means p of 2 equal to 0. So in place of x, you have to substitute 2. You have to equate that value to 0. So 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 7a equal to 0. 2 square value is 4. So 2 into 4 minus 3 to 6 plus 7a equal to 0. 2 4 are 8 minus 6 plus 7a equal to 0. 8 minus 6 is 2. 2 plus 7a equal to 0. Now transposing 2 to the right side. 7a equal to minus 2. A equal to minus 2 by 7. So in this way you can find a value. Simply they gave 2 is 0 of the given polynomial. That means p of 2 equal to 0. In place of x you have to substitute 2. You have to equate this total value to 0. From this you can find the value of a. So this is about fifth problem. Now sixth problem. If 0 and 1 are the 0 of the polynomial f of x, if 0 and 1 are the zeros of the polynomial f of x, equal to 2x cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. Find the values of a and b. Find the values of a and b. In the fifth problem, what we have to do? In the same way, you have to do this one. First, what is the polynomial they give? Given f of x equal to 2x square cube minus 3x square plus ax plus b. What is the first condition they give? 0 is 0 of the polynomial. Given 0 is 0 of f of x. That means, therefore, f of x equal to 0. Sorry, f of 0 equal to 0. So, in place of x, you have to substitute 0 here. So, 2 into 0 cube minus 3 into 0 square plus a into 0 plus b equal to 0. 0 cube value is 0. 0 square value also 0 plus a into 0, 0 plus b equal to 0. 2 into 0, 0 minus 3 into 0, 0 plus 0 plus b equal to 0. This total value is 0. Therefore, b equal to 0. Now, what is the second condition they give? Consider this as equation 1. Given 1 is 0 of f of x. If 1 is 0 of f of x means f of 1 equal to 0. So, in place of x, you have to substitute 1. 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus a into 1 plus b equal to 0. 1 cube value 2 into 1 minus 3 into 1 square is 1 plus a plus b equal to 0. 2 into 1 2 minus 3 plus a plus b equal to 0. 2 minus 3 is minus 1 plus a plus b equal to 0. Now a plus b equal to, transposing minus 1 this side, you will get 1. A plus 0 equal to 1. Why I am taking 0 means, from first condition I am taking 0. Why? Because here b value is 0. Therefore, a equal to 1. So, here we are getting b value 0, a value 1. Therefore, a equal to 1, b equal to 0. So, in this way you can find unknown quantities values a and b. So, first they give what is the condition? 0 is 0 of the given polynomial. That's why f of 0 equal to 0 I am taking. By substituting the value 0 in place of x, we are getting the value of b is 0. Next, 1 is 0 of f of x means f of 1 equal to 0. In place of x, I am substituting 1. From this, I am getting a plus b equal to 1 as the equation. Here, b is 0, I got in first condition. That's why in place of b, I am substituting 0 here. Therefore, a equal to 1. So, in this way, you can find a equal to 1 and b equal to 0. So, up to this, exercise 2.2 is completed. So, what are the problems? I am not telling you, that is in 4th Roman. I told you only 4 problems, 3 problems you have to do. So, up to this exercise is completed. The remaining problems in the further exercises, I will tell you in the next session. Okay, thank you.